What's up, you guys? It's your boy D Sauce, and I'm back. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm back with another bang. You know what I'm saying? I got my boy Tevin with me today. Yeah, sir, man. We try to see if we can get on the second leg. Y'all already know what's popping with us, man. Tell them stop playing, man.
Stop playing, man. We're gonna get on them saccolade, dude.
Man, hey, it's cold as I don't know. How many degrees you think it is right now?
Shit, you looking at about a good 40.
40 degrees out right now.
Good 47, 48.
It's cold.
It's cold though, y'all.
It's cold, you know what I'm saying? Right now, cloudy conditions, but hey, you know, that might be the best time to go get them. We gonna see. But man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. The channel is growing, y'all. That's crazy. I'm so blessed. You know what I'm saying? So continue to support your boy. Hey, we going up from here, man. Shout out to SK, man. My boy been helping me out a lot. You know, everybody, man. Appreciate all y'all, bro. But yeah, man, we gonna see if we can get on these accolades. And yeah, man, we gonna make something shake. So y'all stay tuned. Let's go.
Hey, Q Murph the beat.
All right, y'all. Let's see if we can get on them, man. Let me see if I can drop this jig on them boys and see if I can scope me one. Scope me one up out of there.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Where is it?
So, hold on.
Can you see it, man?
Hold on, give me a second, brother. See my jig?
Oh.
Y'all see my jig? Yes, sir. So all we gotta do is find the fish. So the game right now is kind of up, and I can't see.
What you mean game?
So your gain is like your sensitivity.
Yeah.
See, the louder you turn your gain, the more clutter in the screen. Adjust it to, you see, your bait and the fish. All right, guys, whenever y'all fishing, man, make sure y'all turn y'all trolling motor down, because that will spook the fish. Right now, I got mine on 3. And I'm just looking on my Livescope, man, to see if I can find something. Okay, I see some dots. So, see some dots over here by this tree. Oh yeah. See some dots by this tree over here, so. Oh yeah, here go the fish. Look. Y'all see that? That's fish, bro. They all by this tree right here. That's crazy. Oh, look.
You see it?
Yeah.
Bunch of them?
He hit it. He hit it, y'all. Uh-oh, it's up. I don't wanna, huh? That's what I'm saying. I don't wanna, if I hit it, then y'all, that's the first one, y'all. She a little dink, but off the Livescope, baby. It's up. It's up. Hold on, I gotta measure her. Let me measure her. She is 8. No. 8.5.
That thing say 4 foot.
So she ain't big enough, so I gotta let her go, y'all. But seen on the Livescope. So let her go. Let her go.
I'm in the bayou, boy.
Yeah, he got it. Get him out of there, Tom. Get him out of there. Slam. Slam. Come home. Ooh. Seen that boy dip. That was him. Get him out of there, tell him. Get him out of there, tell him. Get him out of there, tell him. You pluck. Drop that stopper.
Wait.
That baby gone. Look, yeah, I see. Got him. That boy came out the water. Lord. That boy came out the water. Y'all seen it.